Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we're driving northeast on Breadnut Street towards Sage Close in Portmore Pines, Portmore, St. Catherine Parish. Turning off Breadnut Street onto Sage Close. Portmore Pines is a neighborhood in Portmore, and it is situated nearby to the neighborhoods Silverstone and Newland. Notably, Portmore is a large urban settlement located along the south coast of Jamaica. Portmore is nicknamed the Sunshine City. Sage Close ends and we're turning back to Breadnut Street. We are back at Breadnut Street. Going left will take you towards Alamanda Drive, and going right will take you towards Shamrock Close. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.